Okay, y'all. Somebody, anybody, tell me I'm doing wrong. Just tell me I'm doing wrong. Am I doing wrong? Am I doing wrong? Am I doing wrong? It's kind of hot outside. It's like kids are outside playing. And today is December 12th. So I figure I run to Costco, honey. Yes, ma'am. Let me run to Costco. Got my mask with no logo. No Fendi Peach one. Got my keys. Gonna take my, I guess y'all call these earpods. And I'm gonna take my brush in case my hair wanna act a fool because I'm gonna have to put it back up in the bun. Anywho, bye y'all. Wait, one more time. When it's hot outside, you don't need a closed coat. No ma'am. Oh, got my sanitizer in the pocket. Bye y'all. So we are here, my darlings. We are here at the Costco. Yes, ma'am. I don't know what that is, but anywho, let's go shopping. They do not stretch. But aren't they the Yodas? And they are 20 bucks. What y'all think?
Are you going to be good all week? Animals and unicorns. Did you get in and you can hold the unicorn? Please. Here, I'll give them to you one.
Look at Ryan. Hey, Ryan. Hey, Cabbage Patch Baby. Yeah, I'm back from Costco. What does my shirt say? I don't like this M word, people, or this M word, or people. Yeah. Anyhow, the reason why I don't say the M word, because I am not anyone dead. So, no one I know is gone. So, your word speaks power. So, even if it sounds like a word that's negative, don't say it. Find another word for it. Anywho, I'm back from Costco. And I also went to Dollar Tree because I wanted more noodles at a cheaper price. Anywho, I only saved 8 cents because now that it's $1.25 and you get 6. And so you get 12 in a pack for $2.58. So getting 12 for $2.50 saved me 8 cents. But remember, you was getting 12 for $2. And at Walmart, you was getting 12 for $2.29, $2.27, $2.28, one of those. Anywho, let's see what I got from Costco. That was unnecessary. Still going. And I'm sweating. So my phone is on the charge. Of course, it's dead. Y'all know I got to pick up the 24 cups, which was $9.99. And you get Harvest Peach, Strawberry, and French Vanilla. Yes, ma'am. Let's see, the hubby brought up a water. So I got that for Sean. Y'all know I love baking with the grand babies. So I got this 7-pound bag of sugar for less than $5. And I wanted to buy cookies anyway. So if I'm going to buy cookies for $2.50 a piece and you get 24, that would have been $5. Hey, there's a third pack in here and they're $5.99. So I would have spent $7.50. But hey, I spent $6 instead. Saved $1.50. Only at your nearest Costco. I am not being sponsored or being paid by Costco. These are my own purchases. Yeah, I just like going to Costco. Anywho. So I think I showed y'all the 4-pack of chicken that I got from Walmart. I am not being sponsored by Walmart. They did not pay for none of these groceries. These are all my own purchases. Anywho. Yeah, but at Costco, you get 6 for that same price. Yes, ma'am. I forgot. I should have got 2. These were $9.99. You get 6. At Walmart, you get 4 for $8. Who's the better deal? You tell me. Also, at Aldi's, their pieces are now $2.67, I think. And to get 4... Well, these used to be $10. I think I paid $14 now. Anywho, never mind that me saving money on the pizza. Anywho, I'm not sure. I forgot what I paid for it. But it used to be $9.99 and you would have been paying like $2.50 per pizza. Pizza went up to like $2.67, $3, $5. Yeah. Okay, now this is what I'm pissed off about. At Food for Less, I paid $6.99 for this big old jar of pickles. Let's pan around. See that jar over there? Right there? That green. Do you see that green? Those are those same pickles. Let's pan back around to this jar. Mount Olive Dill Kosher Pickles. Now I only paid $4.57 for these. I should have got 2. Because when I'm snacking, I don't really want to snack on nothing sweet, or I'm too lazy to want to cook or find something. I will take a pickle or some olives. Healthier. Fermented. We need fermented in our body. Well, I should have bought some sauerkraut. Anywho, $4.57 compared to my $7 over there. And let's save us some more money. Look what I looked up on. And it's even bigger. So at Aldi's, I am not being sponsored by Aldi's and know that they pay for any of my purchases. These are all my own purchases from my own monies. Anywho, Costco had two and bigger ounces for less than $8. This was 7 something. So over at Aldi's, you get a smaller bottle for $5.67. Yeah. So I had bought 2 of those from Aldi's, spending approximately almost $12. When I could have just got a bigger size. Well, they don't have bigger size in this. If you see this in the bigger size, just get it. And it's cheaper, just get it. So for $8, I should have got 2. What was I thinking? Anywho, save the bundle on that. It's going to last me till February. Plus the one I got, yeah, it's gonna last me till February. I only use it for my coffee. So I wanted me some beets. Y'all know I did the red cabbage with the red onions. And the Eckerd sausage cut up in little round circles, so good. So now I want to eat me some beets because we need to eat everything red. It's for something, I forget. Anywho, on to my favorite Italian and beef lasagna. What's almost $15? They used to be like $12 or less than $13, but now they're almost $15 at Costco. Yeah, let's get back to these beets though. They're baby beets, and these were $5.99. And my tried and true, yes ma'am, I bought 2. They were $11 and something, so I got 2. I really wanted, I was getting 2 no matter what. I didn't care if they were $14, $15. I was going to get 2. This is going to last me the whole year of 2022. Anywho, Got me some Kirkland pomegranate juice because I wanted the tart cherry juice. I'm still gonna go to Aldi's and get that. Some pomegranate juice, some cranberry juice. I told y'all I'm eating everything red. Well, not all the time, but I want everything red. Has great benefits. Anywho, went to Dollar Tree and got my tried and true. I love this stuff. Yes, ma'am. Got me this Welch's Pop to drink along the way home. Stopped at Dollar Tree. Tried this croissant because I was hangry. I was hangry. Yeah, I was. Back to Costco. Got this for less than 10 bucks. 2 as if we didn't have a freezer full already. It's good to keep well stocked. I love eating chicken and waffles, so got this 72 pack for, why do I want to say 13 bucks? Anywho, I thought this was cute, and it was only $12.97. Honeydew. It has 5% stretch, and it's okay. Let's go over to it. It has 5% stretch, 5% spandex, which is stretch, 95% rayon, which is almost stretch, and 40% polyester. Are those adding up? Anywho, the top. Oh, dang, I didn't read this right. So the top is 95% rayon with 5% spandex. The pants is 60% cotton with 40% polyester. Sometimes polyester is stretchable. Sometimes they can make it tight. Dang it, I really needed the pants to have 5% stretch. This may be going back. I could have got a 2X. But anywho, I didn't want it to be too loose, because if it does be too loose, those pants are gonna be just like so out of shape. So let's hope I can fit this. Anywho, what else did I get from Dollar Tree? 2 packs of chicken noodles, 2 packs of beef noodles, a Pepsi for my catfish, some white fudge pretzels, some chocolate pretzels, and my tried and true. Yes, ma'am. I bought 2 Andes. Yeah, for some reason, this is like our 10th bag, and we keep buying them just to fill it back up until we have our little Christmas wrapping party. Anywho, got these crispy onions because I'm gonna have me some green beans, and I want to try the green bean casserole. Hubby was raised on this, so we got the Parmesan and cheese. He always liked to put this on his lasagna, spaghetti, garlic bread, chili, etc., etc., etc. Okay, just to stock up, I bought 2 of these just in case. They said China's acting up. So, and over there you can see a turtle. I ate one in the car because I was hangry. Yes, I was. And I believe that concludes my haul from Costco / Dollar Tree. Bye, y'all.